channel, Riana PlayDate Review. Today, my daddy is sick, so my daddy is going to the doctor. So I'm a little boring at my house, so I'm playing in the PlayDate. Let me show you around so I can play, and I will show you around. Let's go! Follow me, you guys. Ooh, what's this? You wanna see? That's really good, you guys. So where do you want to go first? You want to go on the running snail in here? Let's go! Let's go. I wander through it. You see some holes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I see myself. Hi, guys. What do you want to play it next? Play this car? Let's try, come on! It's so hard. Whoa, it's already moving. Wow! I'm going, but don't forget to close the door. There you go. Let's drive on. Well, this is kind of hard to drive. I can just go in here. Whoa. It's kind of fun, but I think this is not fit to me. So, let's go out. Whoa. Hi, guys. I want to go out. Let's go. Let's go in over there. So much fun. Bye! I want to go under this slide. Let's go, guys. Whoa, I have to hold two hands. So I get to have to hold like this. Woo, I can slide. Woo, this is so much fun. Woo. I think this is more funner if you try you guys in here. Wait, hello. I guess you cannot see me, so I guess you see under through me like this. Woo! Oh, it's kind of cool. I did it. I love playing swings. Okay, I think that's enough. That's too small for me. Let's go in the trampoline. You want to jump with me? I jump a little bumpy. Because I sing a little bit. Because you jump. It's bumpy. Oh, wow. That's cool. Let me try again. With me. They're kind of busy. Okay, let's go. Someone else. Let's go in the ball pit. Wow, look at me. I'm in the ball pit. Hi. Look at my legs. Oh, my face. Okay, let's go in there. Okay? Go. There's a slide. You want to go? Let's go. La 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 la. It's really cool. Where's the slide come from? Let's go out. Wow! It just fell down. I guess The slide comes from there. Let's go. Down. Now let's go in here. Let's go. Let's go. Keep going, keep going. What's this? Come here. What's this thing? I think I have to push it. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! What you doing, Daddy? Oh, this place is kind of good. There's Grandpa. Say hi. Okay, where's these? We go back? No way, I don't want to go back. I want to go in here. Ooh. Guess we have to go in here. Ooh. I'm scared. I'm shocked. Okay, let's go in the slide. It's going in there. Let's go. I never go into the slide. Ooh, that's so much fun. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go some more. Let's go some more. This side is in here. Let's go. I want to try it again. But this time it's more fun than I thought. Okay. I'm trapped. They have this. This way. Come on. Let's go. Let's go see somewhere else. Oh no, there's a Sharpie. Let's go. I'm just throw it. Careful. There's another Sharpie in here. It's like you. Whoa. That's almost close to me. But this one is really hard. I don't want to go. Woo, there we go. This is spikes. Woo! Okay. There's nothing to throw this. Ow. What's this? This? Let me go in there. Again. You guys slide first, okay? With me. 1, 2, 3. Woo! That's so much fun. Okay, now I want to try, I guess it's already a while it goes. So, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. And bye-bye. But wait a minute, don't forget to subscribe and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye-bye.